Hey y'all, happy Monday. So this week I'm doing something different. Typically I do weekend vlogs, but today I want to start a weekly vlog, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I woke up feeling extremely motivated, like literally so motivated. So I decided I'm going to do a vision board because I didn't do one at the beginning of the year, and typically I try to do one like every January, but for some reason I didn't do one this year. I definitely should have, but it's never too late, so I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to try to film a video, like a separate video on that. So I'm going to go ahead, go to Target, pick up some things that I need for that video, and then I'm going to do that video. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I woke up this morning, did my makeup, I filmed a video. It's actually pretty early, and y'all, I have, you know, a full beat going on. But that's why, because I need this month to be a month where I'm consistently uploading videos, just to see what happens when I actually put forth, you know, more effort than I have been putting on here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I just woke up for some reason feeling extremely motivated, so I'm gonna do my vision board. We're literally in July, or it's about to be July, so I only have like 6 months left, or we only have like 6 months in this year. And I know y'all see those little posts that be like, in 6 months your entire life can change. I mean, I believe that. I think it's true. So I'm gonna go ahead and put forth the effort and just see what happens when I'm actually intentional about the things that I do in life. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Target and alright y'all, so I am back from Target, and this is what I got. I got this white picture frame. This is what my actual vision board will go in. I also got a pair of glue sticks, and then I also got construction paper. So yeah, this is pretty much everything I'm going to use. I'm not going to film too much of it because I'm actually going to do a separate video. So if you want to see how my vision board came out, I may come back to show y'all the end result. But if you want to see like my thoughts and how I'm doing it, and you know, my reasoning behind it, definitely stay tuned for that video because it will be coming soon. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will see y'all a little bit later. Hey y'all, I just finished up my video on my vision board. I would go ahead and show y'all my vision board, but I have a video coming out on that, so you definitely should stay tuned for that. I feel like you would like it if you're one of those people who kind of like get those sudden bursts of like motivation, where you kind of like want to be focused and stuff like that, because that's literally what I had today, and that's why I made it. So yeah, I guess I can go ahead and show y'all my old vision board. Y'all, this right here was my vision board from 2020. I didn't do one this year, and I feel like I can definitely feel why I didn't do one. I mean, I can definitely feel the benefits of, is that benefits? Consequences. I definitely can feel the consequences of not doing one, because I just felt like this year I haven't been as organized. So yeah, I made a new one, and it's not a flimsy poster board, so definitely stay tuned if you want, or if you're into vision boards that are aesthetically pleasing, because it is aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, so today pretty much is well, not boring, because I feel like I did some good motivational stuff. But today has pretty much just been literally that. I did my vision board, went to Target, made the vision board, did the video, and that's that. I'm probably not going to get back on camera today because I'm kind of like in a work mode, so I want to figure out some videos that I can do so I can record it, because your girl needs to grow this channel. Like, I always say that I want to do it, but I don't really do the work. So I'm about to do that tomorrow, though. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and your girl is gonna, you know, do a little Taco Tuesday at my house. I'm not gonna go out, so I'm gonna make tacos here, so I will record that, and then we'll see how the rest of this week goes. If for some reason you're watching this vlog and you get to Wednesday, or you get to Thursday, or you get to Friday and there's no vlog, I'm sorry y'all. This is my first week doing weekly vlogging, and you know, I don't know, I feel like the people who have the best vlogs are people who go out to lounges every single day. But y'all, it's just not realistic for me. First of all, I ain't got that many friends, and second of all, I mean, sometimes I just want to stay at home. But yeah, but I'm gonna try to, you know, do something. I'm not gonna go out of my way just to do something for the vlog. I mean, I don't think it's that serious, but if I do something, of course I'm definitely gonna pick it up, pick the camera up. So yeah, I feel like I've been talking for about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Like I said, I probably won't pick up the camera today again, but I'll definitely be back tomorrow, because tomorrow is Taco Tuesday. All right y'all, so here's a quick grocery haul. So first up, I have this fresh cut, ready to use cilantro and onion. This is for my guacamole. I bought chips to go with the guacamole, of course. I have these refried beans that I'm gonna make. I have these diced tomatoes. It's for the Spanish rice that I'm gonna make. And then I also got a pack of lettuce for the tacos. I got lime, and I got just drinks for my house. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I also got bacon for the shrimp that I'm gonna make. Most of the other stuff I already had, so that's why it's not a part of this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm making fajita tacos. I'm making the bacon wrapped shrimp, the bruschetta shrimp, and then I'm gonna have guac. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll try to show y'all the process, but I'll for sure show y'all when everything is done. So yeah, that's a quick little grocery haul. Alright y'all, so just finished up. Here are the sides and the toppings for the taco. Here are the tortillas. I have my sauces, I have my chips, I have my brochette shrimp, I have my fajita meat, and then in here I have my guac that y'all saw me make. I have beans, not too much because I really don't know how I feel about those. I have rice, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and yeah, that's that. So here's the whole spread. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So I'm up and I'm at the mall. I came here really for makeup, but I'm gonna stop inside of Forever 21 to see if I see anything that I like.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. Bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Alright y'all, so I am back from the mall. I went ahead and only ended up getting makeup like I went in there for. I had went into Forever 21 and H&M, but I didn't see anything that I liked, so I walked out with just makeup. So I went to MAC, as you can see, and then I went to Sephora, y'all. And I don't know what Sephora has going on or why they gave me this craft store bakery type bag looking like I went to somebody's bakery, but that's the bag that they gave me. So I'm gonna do a quick little overview of the products that I got. So first up from MAC, I got this blush. This is in the color Raisin. I really like that blush, so I went ahead and got another one. I also got another lip liner. This is in Chestnut. And then from MAC, I also got another skin finish in, I believe it's Dark Deepest or Deepest Dark. And then I got another Fix Plus spray, the little mini size. And then from Sephora, I got another, well, I haven't tried this one yet. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent in Medium Deep. I haven't been liking my under eyes. I feel like it looks ashy. So hopefully a darker powder will help. I also got another lip or an eye pencil. I think this is either eye pencil or a lip liner. Either way, I'm going to use it for my lips. I wouldn't have got it if I would have known that I was going to get this one from MAC. But MAC has, if you spend a certain amount, you get a free gift. So I chose to get the chestnut lip liner. So I have two eyeliners from this pickup, but it's whatever. I also got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. And then I got a concealer from the Sephora line. And then I got the Evermatte Primer from Becca. So yeah, this is just pretty much an overview of everything that I got. I'm going to go ahead and probably eat something really quick. And then I'm going to probably take a nap, and then I'll probably try this makeup because I'm going bowling tonight. So I'll come back and show y'all or give y'all my thoughts on the new products that I got. But yeah, so I will see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I just finished up my makeup. Girl, if you don't get on my video. I just finished my makeup, so I'm about to be headed out the door. But I wanted to come back and tell y'all how I feel about it so far, since I just showed y'all the products that I picked up. So far, so good. I feel like it looks better than yesterday, so that's already a plus. But what I'm most excited about is the primer. Where is it at? Let me see if I can find it so I can show y'all. Here is the primer. This is the Becca, like I said, the Evermatte primer. I'm most excited about this because that's my main thing. Like, I feel like my makeup has looked a mess, but I feel like a big reason why it looks a mess is because I get oily so fast. So hopefully that keeps me matte for a while because I'm so over the greasy look. So yeah, I'm all done. I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. I'm about to be leaving. So I will see y'all when I get to the bowling alley. Just kind of want to come back, check in, and tell y'all how I felt about the products. Most of the stuff is kind of like stuff that I've already used before, or it's nothing really to tell y'all about, like a lip liner. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave, and I will see y'all when I get to the bowling alley. Y'all, so just made it back from the bowling alley. I am about to take this makeup off, but I wanted to show y'all, as y'all can see, I am still oily. Like, I am oily here, 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 and here. So I can't really remember if I focused the primer there. I'm pretty sure I did because these are my oiliest spots, and I can still see some shine coming through. So y'all, I really don't know what I need to do because I'm just an oily skin person. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off, and I will see y'all tomorrow, which is Thursday. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So I know y'all just saw me at the nail shop. That's literally all I've done today. I've been waiting on my package to get here. I ordered from Shein and it just came, so I decided to do my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and film a haul video with that package, and that's literally probably all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and have to get my office space ready for me to be able to try on my clothes and actually have the camera full body. So this is what it currently looks like. So like I said, I was just doing my makeup. I have to move this table pretty much over there, or I may move it out so that I can have that camera up there record me, and I have this full space to walk. So that's pretty much what I'm about to do. I'm gonna move this table and then set it up so I can get ready to do the Shein haul. So yeah, so far so good. Like I said, I've been vlogging. Oh, let me tell y'all, so yesterday y'all saw the makeup that I did. I didn't like that makeup either, but I think I finally found a method that I like. I will probably do a video on it. It came from TikTok. I did some of the makeup hacks that I tried, so I think it came out even better than yesterday. Hopefully I don't get oily like I was talking about in yesterday's videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, pick up my office space so that I can do it, and then I'm gonna film this try on video, and then I'm probably just gonna eat and chill for the rest of the day. I'm trying to be productive for the month of July. I'm gonna try to upload videos every other day. I mean, that it sound good. It really do sound good. But I'm gonna really try to do it. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I will see y'all. If I don't get back on camera, I will see y'all tomorrow for sure. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So I've just got done getting ready. I'm about to go out to eat. And y'all, I am trying Korean barbecue for the first time. I was watching Ashley Devonna here on YouTube. I was watching her vlog yesterday. And y'all, she made this Korean barbecue that she was eating seem like it just tasted amazing. And I was like, I have to try it. Like, I've heard people talk about Korean barbecue, but no one that I actually know has had Korean barbecue. So I can't be like, girl, is it good? Like, what does it give? I can't ask nobody because no one that I really know eats Korean barbecue. But y'all, her video yesterday literally made me want to try it in that very moment. So today I got up. I literally haven't done nothing today. I've literally only watched Hulu. And I did this hair, and then of course I got ready, did my makeup, and now I'm about to go try it. I probably will show y'all what I have on or not, because I'm wearing something so basic, just the white top, jeans, blazer, and some black heels.